my channel. Today guys is Monday, May 4 na. Tapos ko lang maglinis and package guys. Tingnan natin. Wow! Wow! Ano kaya yan? Sana dalawa na yan kasi dalawang package yung hinihintay namin. I-open natin yung box. I'm not sure kung ano to kasi dalawa tong in-order na nag-order kasi ako ng guys, ng yung jumping rope na may count. Toys ni Austin. Clap your hands. So, yan. Wow! Dalawa na pala siya. Wow, that's so pretty. So, ito guys first. Ito yung jumping rope. So, unahin muna natin yung toys. Can you sit down here? Sit down. Yung ano niya guys. Look! Wow! That's so much toys. Wow, you have juice. Burger. What's that? Wow. Cookies. What's that? Huh? Heart. Wow. And then guys, ito yung first. Kasi nga, nag-order ako ng jumping rope guys. So, si Mr. sabi niya, hindi niya yung anak niya. Kasi, for sure kasi pag may darating na package sa amin, si Austin kasi guys is parang nagseselo siya kasi parang walang darating sa kanya, sa akin lang. So now, let me show them first. So yan guys, ito yung toys. Ang cute kasi may siya, may play talaga and then may fork, yan. And then guys, next is itong smart jump rope. Yan. So, ito yung natin yung laman. Kasi guys, may may jumping rope ako dyan. Pero yung jumping rope ko talaga is yung regular lang. So, every time na nagja-jump ako na mini-make sure ko na, for example, sobrang pagod ko, 1,000 lang. Nalilito na ako guys kung ilang number na ako. So, hala, ang ganda. So, first guys, may ganito siya So, yan first. May ganito siya. I know. And then, get it. Don't throw. Put it here. Go get that one. Put it here. And then, manual. User manual. Parang mabigat siya. Hindi naman pala. Akala ko mabigat. And then, may kasama din siyang bag na kasama siya, guys. Ito yung brand niya. But yan yung brand niya. Ang cute. And then, may kasama siyang card. No more about rainfall. Yan. I'm not sure kung tama yung pagka-pronounce ko. And first, guys, ganito siya. Wow. Ang saya-saya niya. So, dalawa, guys. Dalawa yung ganito niya. Gagamitin natin like today ito kasi magja-jump ako today. And then, may kasama siyang parang maliliit na, parang i-adjust mo yung size. Kasi mataas to eh. And then, of course, the battery. And then, ito. Yan. Ito yung niya. Parang ang ganda nito. Yan. Ganito siya, guys. Ganito yung niya. Tawag dito, string? Wow. What's this one? Yan. So, yan. I-ko muna to. I-set up para magamit natin and i-try natin. Guys, after couple, mga siguro 20 minutes, kaya pala hindi siya gumagana. It's because different app yung na-download ko first. Nalilito kasi ako guys, kasi ang daming app na pagpipilian. So, yan guys, gumagana na siya. So, yan. And then, i-connect ko na din siya sa phone ko. Yan, gumagana na. So, every time na mag-jump ka, guys, makakount siya dito kung ilang jump na yung nagawa mo. And then, if may target ka na, for example, 1,000 jumps, kukonect mo siya sa phone and then makakount doon. So, it's really nice. So, and then, ang nagagandahan ko din dito, guys, is yung niya. Adjust mo din siya kung malaki ka na tao or maliit ako kasi maliit ako. So, ina-adjust ko pa siya. And then, yan, may paano siya dyan para hindi siya masakit. And then, meron ito guys, but I'm not sure kung saan siya kinakabit. But yan, hintayin ko pag uwi ni Mr. Rubber. Hindi siya rubber, para siyang ano, goma na malambot. Yan, yung both side. And then, yung dito guys, mas heavy siya sa, parang ano lang, parang same lang pala. I know, mas a little bit, ano siya, mabigat siya dito kasi nga nandito yung battery. But, okay lang siya, magaan lang talaga siya. So, yan. Yan. Meron na tayo. And then, i-update ko kayo maya-maya kasi gusto kong i-try ito today. Hopefully. But, yan, kakakain ko lang kasi. So, ayokong munang mag-workout. But, later on, after natin, para matunaw-tunaw yung ating kinakain, magja-jump tayo ng, let's say, 1,000. So, yan, let's do it. Guys, yung niya, mga fruits niya, wala na, nagkahiwalay na. Hindi ko na alam to. Say hi to people, babe. Hi! So, today, guys, is May 7, Friday.
Can open.
2:55 na ng hapon. So, kadadating lang talaga ng package na to. Galing to sa aking biyanan na naman. So, nagpadala na naman siya ng package. Thank you very much. So, i-open natin kasi yung anak ko sobrang excited. Can you say thank you to Nana?
Thank you.
Thank you, Nana.
Nana.
I know.
They want a Nana.
Babe, kiss me.
Nana.
I know. This is from Nana. So ito guys, kasi 'di ba akala ko ipadala yung ngayon yung makina ba kasi may makina siya na maliit and then ibibigay niya sa akin 'yon. But hindi kasi mabigat din 'yun eh. So siguro dadalhin nila 'yon June pagka birthday niya kasi same month sila ni Austin. So hopefully ma-celebrate namin siya ng isa. Hopefully pupunta sila dito. So yan. Dami kong chika. Wait. This is from Nana. Wait. Wow! Wala, that is Austin. Look!
Huh?
This is you.
Wow.
So yan guys, pinadala niya ako kasi yung nagpa-print ako ng mga photo ni Austin. And then what is this?
Wow.
Fiber.
Marty.
This one. Wow.
Baking
Spill it out.
And the
know.
egg cream.
Wow, this is Austin. Oh, that's you and Daddy. Look.
Wow.
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 This is Austin and Daddy. Tingnan nyo guys, ang cute nilang mag-ama. Ang cute. Daddy is sleeping. And then, ito din, gawa niya. May. Ang cute. Ilagay natin to sa fridge. And then, yung mga ganito, ilalagay ko to welcome. Home is where the love is. Aw, cute.
They have mustache.
Huh?
They have mustache.
Yeah, Daddy have mustache. I'm gonna put this one in front door namin. So, yan. Ang cute. Thank you. Excited. And then, pinadalhan niya din ako ng ganito kasi ko yung wallet na binigay niya, guys. May wallet siya. May wallet siya na binigay sa akin. So, isusuko yun na gagawin parang flower. Papakita ko siya sa inyo if tapos na ako. But yan. So, ito i-open nga natin to. What is this one? Let's see.
Can't open.
I know, Mommy also wait. Austin have a lot of toys. How to open this one? I don't know how to open it.
Dad, get Caesar.
Not the scissor, but wait. Wait. Mommy, do it.
Yeah.
Just like that. Ang hirap i-open. There you go.
Wow.
Yung yung puzzle. T. Wow. Yay! What is this? Hot. Good job. What is next? You want? What?
Yeah, map.
Map. You want the map here? I think the map is here. Oh, here, Baba. Here. Baba, it's here.
Yeah, map.
Map.
M-A-P, yeah.
Okay, okay. Look for the M-A-P.
Oh no, wait.
Okay.
M.
Oh, mommy found P. No, wrong spelling. Look at the P. It's in the last one. Good job. What is the next?
A.
A.
Wait, found.
Oh, good job. You're so smart. What's next?
M.
M.
Oh no.
L. Here's the L. 2L. What's that one? L and L. Ball. B-L. B-A-L-L. Ball. Can you say it? What's that one? Ball. What's next?
F.
F. The next is I. I. Good job. Wow. Push. Next is H. O. S. Next is, what's next?
H.
Yeah, H. What's this one? F-I-S-H. Fish. Good job.
Yeah.
Yeah, clap your hands.
Yeah.
What's next?
R.
R. Look for letter R.
Oh yeah. It is button.
Oh, there you go, R. R is hiding so good. Austin almost can't find letter R. What's the next?